Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and greetings everyone. My name is Akmal Kuzeri, and today I will talk about the adoption of rice harvesting machines in Malaysia paddy farming systems. As we know, rice is one of Malaysia's most important staple foods, and paddy farming plays a key role in national food security. But traditionally, harvesting rice was done manually using sickles, which is labor-intensive, time-consuming, and less efficient. With modern agricultural technology nowadays, which is rice harvesting machines, have been introduced to help farmers work faster and more efficiently.
Advantages of rice harvesting machine.
Rice harvesting machines are faster than conventional manual harvesting. Manual harvesting uses sickles and requires many workers. It also needs separate threshing and cleaning processes. In contrast, harvesting machines do cutting, threshing, and cleaning at the same time. This reduces harvesting time from days to just a few hours. It helps farmers avoid yield losses caused by bad weather. Harvesting machines also reduce labor dependency. One machine can replace many workers. This makes harvesting more efficient and less physically demanding. Machines also reduce grain loss. Manual harvesting often causes spillage and damaged grains. Machines produce cleaner and more uniform rice yield. Let's take a look at the current scenario in Malaysia. Rice harvesting machines are widely used in major paddy granary areas in Malaysia. This includes Kedah, Perlis, Selangor, and Kelantan. Government agencies support mechanization. The Ministry of Agriculture and Food Security provides policies and subsidies. MADA offers machinery programs and farmer training. MARDI develops harvesting technology and technical workshops. However, small-scale farmers in non-granary areas still use manual methods. This is due to financial limitation and lack of technical skills. Overall, Malaysia is gradually moving toward mechanized paddy farming. Now, let's take a look to the issue and challenges. The main challenge is the high cost of harvesting machines. Small farmers may not afford to buy them. So the government subsidies and share machinery programs help reduce this problem. Another challenge is machine suitability. Large machines may not fit small or uneven fields. Using smaller or flexible machines can solve this issue. Technical problems such as breakdowns may occur. Some farmers lack machine operation skills. Training and technical support from agency can help them. Heavy machinery may cause soil compaction. This can affect soil quality. So proper machine use and soil management can reduce this impact. But not least, the conclusion. Rice harvesting machines improve harvesting efficiency. They reduce labor dependency and grain losses. They also increase productivity in paddy farming. Although challenges exist, they can be managed with proper support. Government assistance and training play an important role. Therefore, rice harvesting machines are important for modern and sustainable paddy farming in Malaysia. That's all from me. Thank you.